Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our 28 folding knives case. It's designed to hold up to 28 folding knives of various sizes up to 5.5 inches long. This case is perfect for protecting your knives while traveling or for storing your collection safely at home. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. The plugs in the case are dual purpose, so be sure to keep them for use with smaller knives. You'll notice when removing the plugs that each slot has 4 pieces, 2 L-shaped spacers and 2 rectangular pieces. Using different combinations of these pieces will ensure that each knife is held securely. For long, thinner knives, such as butterfly knives, leave both L-shaped spacers in place to tighten the slot and hold the knife snugly. For shorter knives, leave one of the rectangular plugs in place so that they sit at the same level as your other knives. Each plug can also be trimmed down to a specific length to make sure every knife is level with the others. Each slot will fit a knife with max dimensions of 5.5 inches long, 1.5 inches wide, and 0.9 inches thick, with all the plugs removed. Once customized, it will look like each slot was cut specifically for a particular knife. Be sure to keep the plugs you do not immediately use, as this will allow you to change the configuration of your case as your collection grows and changes. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from pluck foam. Unlike pluck foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a soft, convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place when the case is closed. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.